quality parameters. We transfer the pH, turbidity, dissolved oxygen levels. So, however, data is displayed on LCD, but also we can see it from ThinkSpeak, and we can access the ThinkSpeak from anywhere, so that everybody can see the values from anywhere. Then it will be monitored from our own locations, and we included the anomaly detection system, alert mechanism. That is nothing but, as I mentioned, the GSM module will give the alert to the user authority, so that the safe thresholds and values will be updated for every 15 seconds. Coming to the conclusion, IoT enables the real-time monitoring of water. So in this way, we take the timely actions and reduce the water contamination, so that the safe drinking water will be provided. Every time, in each year, approximately 5 lakhs of people are causing with diarrhea due to water pollution. So these deaths will be avoided by using this water monitoring system, and the authorities will be take their timely action. So this system will optimize the water usage and reduce waste of time. This actionable data for water
Excuse
resources
me, Nigma
management
Wangala,
is
your presentation time is completed.
maintenance and
Ma'am,
Okay, right.
your
Thank you.
presentation time will be
so
complete.
thank you for it.
2 minutes for questionnaire part.
Nigama,
Yes, sir.
how this will be implemented in rural areas?
Yes, sir. As in rural areas, there are various lakes, such as, otherwise for home also there are very different pipelines. So we can insert the sensors at the water quality areas, so that the sensors will measure the parameters and then send to the users and authorities in the form of SMSs, short message services.
But the people in rural areas are not well acquainted with the technology. How they can make utilization of your research work?
Sir, okay. Actually, in rural areas also there will be some certain authorities, such as various teams to take the actions for these water quality measuring. So these SMSs will also be sent to those, and the local people will be they will be informed beforely, so that if you when you got a message like this, you can inform to the authorities. In that way, we can process it. As however, nowadays everyone are using bank manager systems. They are aware of some OTPs, some short messages, so it can be processed in that way.
Okay, then. Right. All the best.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Please mute your microphone and camera, please.
Okay, thank you team for the
Okay, can I leave the
insightful
session?
presentation. Thank you Nigma Wangala and team for the insightful presentation. Our next team member will be Mohammed Saif Ali from Nanak Institution's Technical Campus. Please begin.
Please proceed. Muhammad Sahif Ali, please proceed.
Good morning, sir. My name is Muhammad Saif Ali from Computer Science and Engineering in Guru Nanak Institutional Technical Campus. I am sharing my presentation, please. Is it visible, sir? Yes. Good morning. My name is MD Saif Ali. My title name is Fusion of XGBoost and Random Forest for accurate stroke prediction. My team members are Mamidipalli Uday Kiran, Lakampalli Aditya, under the guidance of Miss Rashri Sutarve. One second.
Ali, you have only 6 minutes.
Okay.
Remaining all participants, please be ready with your presentations. Check your internet connection and everything. Ali,
1 minute, madam.
okay.
Madam, overview of this presentation is abstract, objective, introduction, existing system, proposed system, methodologies and execution status, and system architecture. Abstract. It is not working, madam.
Show your first slide title.
My title is Fusion of XGBoost and Random Forest for Accurate Stroke Prediction
XGBoost
and Random Forest. One second, madam. My sharing is not working, madam.
I have to check prior.
Every participant must and should check prior mark.
Now it's working.
Okay. Make it fast, Ali.
Abstract. Abstract of the stroke is life-threatening medical conditioning caused by disrupted blood flow of the brain, representing a major global health concern with significant health economic consequences. Researchers are working to tackle these challenges by developing automated stroke prediction. So, focusing on XGBoost and hybrid model, combining XGBoost and random forest. By comparing it against six established classifier, the results show more complex model or perform simpler ones, with the best performing model achieving an accuracy of 96%. With other models, the range is from 84%. Next, this objective of this uh, project is we have to detect the stroke prediction and future importance. Future importance are like blood pressure, cholesterol level, smoking. By these features, we can examine when the stroke will attack. Next, high accuracy and performance. We get exact solution from this model and modern explainability. XGBoost offers model that can interpret it using techniques like shape, the adaptive expression, making easier to understand. Next, introduction. Stroke prediction plays a critical role healthcare because early intervention, including lifestyle changes, medication, treatments, several machine learning models, including decision trees, random forest, and ensemble methods, have been employed in stroke prediction. Existing systems. Before XGBoost, we have used CNN model, that is convolutional neural network. It are specially well suited for tasks like image classification, object detection. It is not suited for large data sets. So we are proposed a new model, that is XGBoost model, and it also be combined with random forest to get accurate and best percentage of the solution. XGBoost will work sequentially and it will hide the missing values. Methodologies we use dataset from the Kaggle and next importing necessary libraries like pandas, numpy, matplotlib, skykit, and XGBoost forest classifier. Data pre-processing. After 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 taking the data, we have to pre-process like cleaning the data, adding missing values. If there are impurities, so we have to remove, and we have to select the model. In this project, we are selecting model XGBoost and random forest. So more percentage above 95% accuracy. Next, our execution status. After execution, we have to input the factors like gender,
Okay, Mr.
hypertension.
Mohammed Saif Ali, your allotted time has been completed. Now let's start our questionnaire part.
System architecture. Okay, madam.
Can you define what exactly this data set contains?
This data set
What are
contains,
the attributes that have been considered in this data set?
sir, in this data set, it contains factors like gender, hypertension, heart disease, glucose, how much glucose level, whether the person or a people speak smoking status, and body mass index, sir, BMI.
What
These
is
are
the
the factors.
methodology? What is the methodology that you have adapted to get this data set?
I uses random forest and exhibits methodology to perform the calculation.
What is this random forest?
Random forest is algorithm which randomly it takes the data sets. If it not finds solution, it randomly go to the another attribute.
Next. Okay, go for next slide.
Next slide, sir. This is execution status. After giving all factors, we will get the solution. Whether this stroke will predict, or if the factors are good, then it get no stroke. If factors are bad or critical, then it will go stroke will be predicted.
Sir, time is up, sir.
This is the output. This is the output of the project, sir.
Excuse me, Mohammed Saif Ali, your time
Okay.
is up.
Okay. Thank you,
Thank
madam.
you, Mohammed Saif Ali, for that insightful presentation. Our next team is G. Supriya from Guru Nanak Institution and Technical Campus. Please proceed.
Yes. Good morning to all the respected guests, delegates, and faculty members present here. We are honored to be the part of the NCFT 2025. Our project is titled Refined Deep Learning Method Using YOLO for Marine Debris Identification. We are undergraduate students from JNITC, Vivek, Supriya, and Chaitanya under the guidance of Ms. A. Sunita, Assistant Professor. In this presentation, we'll give a quick review of how we used YOLO V11 with attention mechanisms to improve the detection of marine debris in complex underwater settings. So we'll cover the existing and proposed systems and architecture, result, and future possibilities. So we'll start with abstract. Marine debris like plastic and discarded fishing gear poses a major threat to aquatic life. Traditional detection methods are inaccurate in dynamic conditions, so our model based on YOLO V11 with coordinate attention enhances real-time detection, segmentation, and classification accuracy. Objective: the primary goal is to develop a deep learning based system to identify marine debris more accurately. We aim to use a hybrid CNN transformer architecture to improve precision while keeping computational costs low and ensuring real time adaptability across diverse environments. Introduction: marine debris includes harmful materials such as plastics and nets. Traditional detection models struggle with accuracy and scalability, whereas YOLO V11 helps overcome these challenges through advanced features called extraction and attention mechanisms, especially on high resolution images. So now my friend will continue with the existing system.
The current system YOLO V11, the current system YOLO V7 uses anchor-based object detection and layer aggregation for real-time detection. While it's fast, it struggles with small or irregular debris and lacks strong content awareness, leading to lower accuracy and high computational demands. Our proposed system enhances YOLO V11 with coordinate attention and bottleneck transformations. This combination allows it to detect more complex and cluttered debris scenes. Convolutional neural networks handle local features while transformers captures the global context for better accuracy. The first, our system detects small and oddly shaped debris better using deformable conventions. Second, the transformer modules improves global scene understanding. Third, the model is optimized for real-time performance on high resolution images and various platforms. Architecture. It's an architectural diagram showing system flow from data input. Here, first layer is input layer. High resolution images from drone or underwater cameras are fed into the system for analysis. Pre-processing. Images are normalized and resized to ensure uniformity and compatibility with models. Third layer is
Okay, Supriya ma'am, your allotted time has been completed. Now let's start our questionnaire part.
Okay, Supriya, are you
Yes,
there?
sir. Yes, sir.
Which GPU is needed for this YOLO level? What exactly this YOLO V11 is?
Okay.
What what
11
exactly this will do?
YONO V11 stands for only look once. The version is 11. It refers the family of real-time object detection models.
Okay. Any other advantages of making use of this YOLO V?
So can you please repeat once again the question?
Any other advantages for using this YOLO?
Advan- Yeah.
Yes, sir. Like advantages of using YOLO V11 are like it will give better detection of small and irregular marine debris. Like it's high accuracy and real-time processing. Like it is fast in video analysis also, sir. And it focuses on important image regions and it understands better detection and low computational load.
Okay.
Sir, time is up, sir.
Okay, right.
Thank you, Supriya and team, for the presentation. I would now like to call upon Banotu Rajesh to
Ji, Supriya, we proceed. Proceed. Thank you, Team Supriya, for this insightful presentation. Let's our next presentation will be Divya S from Guru Nanak Institutional Technical Campus. Please proceed.
Hello, I think you haven't added two of our members actually. Hello? Hello, the anchors.
Divya, turn your video on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One minute. So we are starting the presentation. Good morning to the esteemed guests, delegates, and faculty members. We are honored to be a part of Ncft-25, a project titled Recognition of Oral Cancer Progression Stages Using White Light Imaging, and we are undergraduate scholars from GNITC. I'm Divya, and my teammates Yashwant and Vikram, under the guidance of our mentor, Dr. G. Hari Rao. We will share how our deep learning model, MobileNet V2, helps classify oral lesions at benign, malignant, or cancer stages using white light images. We'll also touch on the limitations of traditional methods, our proposed method, and the results we achieved through the study. Coming to the overview of the presentation, we'll go by the abstract, objective, introduction, existing and proposed systems, system architecture, result, future enhancement, and the conclusion. Coming to the abstract, this study presents a method for early oral cancer detection using image analysis and the lightweight MobileNet V2 CNN model. By analyzing the texture and color features from the five color spaces, this accurately classifies lesions as benign, malignant, or cancerous. Coming to the of our project, the goal is to enhance early detection of oral cancer by using image classification to accurately identify lesions or any other detection benign, malignant, or precancerous. The system is designed to be efficient to make it suitable for use on mobile devices and also in low source settings. Uh, Coming to the introduction, oral cancer is a major global health issue due to its high mortality rate, mainly caused by late stage diagnosis. Traditional detection methods are slow, inconsistent, and require expert knowledge. To address this, we propose an automated solution using MobileNet V2, which is the human model. And it has high accuracy, it ensures real-time processing, and is ideal for mobile and low resource clinical settings. Early detection more accessible. Over to my other teammate. He'll explain the existing system.
Can you please go to the previous slide?
Yes, sir.
Another previous. Okay. Which image classification you have used? What type of image file you have considered? What type of image file format that you have considered for this classification?
We use JPEG, so JPG, and
What is the methodology for this classification?
the methodology includes model deployment and model scanning, sir, and it extracts features, the color features, and the different specific areas, and it extracts classifies it into different uh, categories, and then it predicts the value, the accuracy of how
No,
magnetic
not clear.
there is it all.
What exactly this image classification is? What you will do in this process?
The image classification refers to classifying the lesions. You scan the image, the image of your mouth area, and it scans the features, the mouth. It classifies it into benign.
So
Benign,
once it is scanned, an image file is created. What is that file format?
the file. Uh, The color is extracted, so the color is extracted, and it has different settings. Like uh, each part has a different color, and that color explains on how
Okay,
progressive
go
it
ahead.
is.
Yeah, yes, good afternoon, sir. Myself, Vikram Kumar from CS2. I am continuing about existing system. In this technology using is light GBM, means light gradient boosting machine, and it works on using handcrafted color and texture features extracted from oral images and input into light GBM, means gradient boosting machine for classifications in the futures. In these, their advantages are fast and accurate on large data sets, and well suited for structures, means ideal for structured tabular data, and it is in fast and accurate on large data sets, scalable for traditional ML tasks, machine learning tasks. Its disadvantages, next page. Disadvantages are it needs relies heavily on manual feature engineering, means it needs manual feature engineering for poor at handling raw complex image data, not suitable for it real time or for mobile use applications. It requires careful hyper parameter tuning. Proposed system, next page. In this technology
Okay, Divya, your allotted time has been completed. Thank you, Divya and team, for that wonderful presentation. Our next presentation is by Banath Rajesh from Guru Nanak Institutional Technical Campus. We proceed. Please proceed.
Good afternoon, sir and madam. We are going to discuss about the
What is your title?
surveys.
I will wait.
Rajas, title, display the title.
Sir, title is the Smart Agriculture Monitoring System using ESP8266 standard app and Power BI. And the overview of the project is the abstract objective introduction, literature survey, existing system, proposal system, system architecture, system modules. Abstract: the innovative solution designed to empower farmers with real-time insights into crop and environmental conditions. This project bridges the gap between traditional farming and modern technology, offering farmers a cost-effective and scalable solution to monitor and manage their agriculture operation efficiently. Objective: the Smart Agriculture Monitoring System is designed to provide farmers with a comprehensive solution for monitoring and managing agriculture operations. Next one is introduction. Agriculture is the backbone of Indian economy, supporting 17% of world population with limited land and water resources. With diverse climatic conditions, Indian farming requires efficient management and advanced technology. It uses the GSM technology. Farmers receive real-time updates on their mobile phones, allowing timely decisions. The smart farming approaches improve productivity, conserves resources, and reduce labor dependencies. And existing systems. The existing system is the lack of real-time data collection, cloud-based storage, and predictive analysis, leading into inefficiencies in resource utilization and crop management. Similarly, the application of fertilizers and pesticides is done without precise management, increasing cost and potential environment hazards. Disadvantage is the manual and
Okay,
time.
Mr. Banath Rajesh, your allotted time has been completed. Now let's start the questionnaire part.
Mr. Rajesh, what
Sir,
exactly this ESP8266 is?
that is a wide
ESP,
Wi-Fi processor.
this
Hello.
ESP8266 is a low-cost Wi-Fi microcontroller, sir. It basically provides low-cost Wi-Fi through which microcontroller sends the data to the cloud storage system, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the device that you are using it to connect with the internet or IoT? Which equipment you
Transmitters,
are using?
transmitters.
So your topic particularly related with the connectivity with Wi-Fi or internet.
We basically integrate IoT. So basically, we use sensors and Android application and also Power BI application. So we integrate all these things to make insightful things to the farmer so that he can improve the farming timely. So basically, the temperature, humidity, water, all those things which are not timely available, sir. So using mobile Android application, he make the he
You are not
understand.
answering to my question correctly. Listen carefully. What exactly this ESP8266 is of? What for it is used?
Sir, time is up, sir.
Yours is a smart agricultural using ESP8266 and Power BI, which is involving IoT. What is the role of this ESP8266? Can you answer? Rajesh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
If you can answer, say yes. Otherwise, no. We'll go for the next step for the participant. Yes or no?
It works as a automation in the farming processes, like transmission of collected data to application.
Sorry. Okay, next participant.
Thank you, Rajesh and team, for that insightful presentation. Our next team is Ramasumant Kumar from Guru Nanak Institutional Technical Campus. Please proceed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone present in. Good afternoon to one all present here. My name is Nandam Ram Sumant Kumar, and my teammates are Mr. P. Praveen Kumar and Ms. M. Jansi. And our project is decentralized DDoS attack detection in IoT networks using federated learning. We are doing this project under the guidance of Dr. Kushbu Daloni, Associate Professor, GNITC.
Share your screen.
Sir?
Your screen is not shared properly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. I will share, sir.
With the title.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Our project title is Decentralized DDoS Attack Detection in IoT Networks using Federated Learning. We are doing this project under the guidance of Dr. Kushbu Daloni, Associate Professor, JNITC. And the overview of the presentation is abstract, objective, introduction, existing and proposed systems, and the conclusion. Yeah. Coming to the abstract, one of the major problems faced in IoT networks are DDoS attacks, also called as decentralized distributed denial of service request attacks that are caused by the hackers using botnet devices that creates fake network traffic in an IoT network and allows the hackers to create a network traffic and to initialize the unwanted data in IoT networks by keeping the network unavailable for the IoT users. To overcome this project, we are using federated learning approach. Coming to the introduction of the topic, DDoS attacks are called as distributed denial of service attacks that pose a significant threat to the reliability of the IoT networks by creating the network traffics and making the network unavailable for the IoT users. Yeah, and the existing system is traditional distributed denial of service attacks. By using these attacks, we cannot stop the hackers from creating the network traffic. So by the proposed system is federated learning approach where we use a federated learning approach where we follow the federated learning mechanisms. By federated learning allows multiple devices to collaboratively work and share the data by not sharing the entire raw data, but by only sharing the updates that are made to the IoT network. Yeah. The system architecture is in the federated learning approach, we will be having IoT devices, central aggregator, local server, and the local database for the IoT devices. First, any IoT devices will send the HTTP IoT device will send a HTTP request for the local server instead of sending it to the central aggregator and central server. The local server, after receiving the HTTP request from the IoT device, it then send the response to the IoT device, and the response is shared in the local database. After all the IoT devices are shared, after all the IoT devices completed sharing their HTTP request and response, the only response are then sent to the central aggregator, and the updates are stored in the central server rather than sharing and storing the entire data. The conclusion for this project is the proposed federated learning using decentralized DDoS attack detection offers a decentralized distribution DDoS attack in IoT networks. It also ensures data privacy and data security by not sharing the entire data, but by only sharing the updates that are made to the data. Here in this project, we will be using convolutional neural networks, which enhances the accuracy and effectiveness of the attack detection, and it also reduces the network bandwidth by not allowing the irrelevant network traffic created by the hackers. This system also provides scalable and real-time detection, enhancing IoT network security.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what are the various types of attacks?
Sir, the types of attacks are volumetric attacks. There are three types of attacks, sir. First type of attack is volumetric attack. In volumetric attack, the IoT hackers send the unwanted and irrelevant bandwidth to the network, to the IoT network, and create the network traffic by that helps the hackers to create the irrelevant traffic and makes the IoT network unavailable to the general users. And the second type of attack is presentation layer attacks. In the application layer attacks, in this application layer attack, the hackers uses application layer techniques to send the IoT, to send the network traffic into the application layer, and maintains the unavailability of the application layer to the IoT users, and hackers can easily go through the sensitive data of the IoT users and the IoT devices.
What is this MITM attack?
Sir?
MITM.
I don't know, sir.
Okay. What is this brute force attack?
Sir, brute force attack.
Because your entire paper depends on this attacking system.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
What is a malware?
Yes, sir. Brute force attack is a trial and error attacks. Generally, these are used by the IoT attackers to gain unauthorized access to the IoT systems, IoT networks, and this also gives the unauthorized access to the encrypted data by trying all the possible combinations of passwords in the form of a trial and error based. There are in brute force attacks. We will be having some types called simple brute force attack and dictionary brute force attack. In simple brute force attack, hacker tries the every possible combination and characteristics without any logic. But in dictionary attack, hacker uses a specific passwords and dictionary words to hack the system and to create a network traffic in the IoT devices.
Okay. But in IoT, the main attack that you will get is the MITM.
Yes, sir.
What is that full stands for MITM?
It's 1 minute.
MITM attack.
Yes, 1 minute. Yes, sir. In IoT devices, one of the major attack faced is MITM attack. These MITM attack are also called as man-in-the-middle attacks. A man-in-the-middle attacks is a cyber attack that is faced in man-in-the-middle attack is a cyber attack that is faced in the IoT networks. By these attacks are secretly intercepts, relays, and alters the communication between two parties. That means between two users by a hacker. However,
Okay, Sumant.
Yes, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, Sumant. Thank you, Sumant, for that insightful presentation. Our next team is Shivali from Guru Nanak Institution of Technical Campus. Please proceed.
One minute. Good afternoon, everyone. We are honorable to present our research paper at National Conference at Futuristic Technology of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Guru Nanak Technical Campus. Our paper title was Privacy Preserving and Trusted Keyword Search for Multiple Tenancy Cloud This work has been authorized by myself, Nimma Srivalli, and along with my team members, Ranjit Reddy, Pranit Kumar, under the estimate guidance of Kushbu Donalia, Associate Professor. In this overview of this presentation are abstract, objective, introduction, literature survey, existing system, proposed system, system architecture, UML diagram, execution process, conclusion. In this in my abstract, this project proposed a VAS key using symmetric encryption to ensure data confidentiality, variability, accountability in a multi-tenant cloud where data from different owners is secured storage and isolated. This system employs XOR database transmission and MAC to ensure data integrity and enable keyword-based search for encryption data, allowing clients to search without revealing plain text while maintaining the accuracy of the result. In this, the main objective of this project are ensure data confidentiality. By this confidentiality, we are preventing unauthorized access by the cloud providers and ensure secure keyword search. By this secure keyword search, we are encrypt the data without revealing the keywords or the data content, and we preserving the query privacy. By this query privacy, our cloud server or other tenants from learning the actual switch.
What is your paper ID? Go to the first slide.
Sir, 164.
164, Rajit.
Yes, sir. No. Srivalli, sir. 164, present Srivalli.
Presenter is Srivalli. You are also a participant.
No. Myself, Dr. Narsimachari.
You are one of the paper author.
This keyword, we are lack of verifiability and accountability.
Sir, Srivalli is co-author, sir.
Go to the first slide.
Srivalli, display the paper title ID.
Ncft 164, sir.
Yes, Rajit is there. On his name only, I got the list. Nimmala Ranjit
Sir,
Reddy.
but he is unable to attend the meeting, sir, due to his sickness.
Okay, you are presenting. Srivalli is presenting.
Yes, sir. Instead of him, I am presenting, sir.
Okay. Is the coordinator here? Swapna madam.
Yeah. Swapna madam.
Sir? Hello,
The
sir.
paper IDs are mismatching, madam. What the list that I have received?
Okay, sir. I'll check and I'll update you, sir. Sir, now 164 is Srivalli, sir.
164 Srivalli.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next 165, sir. Ankita.
Just a minute. Can I please confirm this first participant 121 Ramya?
Yes, sir. But she is not presented today.
Okay, 147
Nigama Wang. Yes, sir.
Next, Saifali ID
154, sir.
154.
Next, 156 G Supriya.
156 Supriya.
Yes, sir.
Next,
157 Divya.
157 Divya.
Next, 162 Banot Rajesh.
162 Rajesh.
Yes, sir. Next,
Okay.
163 Rama Sumant Kumar.
Sumant Kumar 163.
Yes, sir.
162
Rajesh.
Madam? Madam,
Yes, sir.
Swapna madam.
Yes, sir.
162 Rajesh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
162 Rajesh. 163 Sumant.
64 is not there.
64
No,
is
they
there, sir.
Srivalli, ma'am, sir.
Srivalli, sir.
Srivalli.
Ranjit Reddy, actually, co-author is presenting now. Her name is Srivalli.
Okay, okay, madam.
Okay. Next, 165, sir. Ankita.
Just
We'll go for lunch. Huh? Thank you, sir.
64.
It's okay, yeah. Very good, yeah.
$65 is Ankita.
Yes, sir. 64. 64 Srivalli, 65 Ankita. After that, lunch, sir. Lunch
Okay.
break, 1:30, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Right. Carry on.
Please carry on, Srivalli.
Okay, sir.
Srivalli, continue.
In this introduction, cloud computing offers scalable storage, but it ensures that it is having a data security and privacy in multi-tenant cloud is challenging. In traditional keyword, we are using a plain text data. By this, and we are using a searchable symmetric encryption method. By this symmetric encryption method, we are facing a lack of variability and accountability. So, we can propose the verifiable and accountable keyword search encryption. By this encryption, we can enhance the data integrity and confidentiality. And by using the message authentication code, we can accountably generate a token mechanism and ensure that accurate and such secure result. And this approach strengthens trust and secure in cloud based security search. In this existing system, we are having the drawbacks of lack of data integrity and no user accountability and security variabilities. In this proposed system, we are having more advantages like we are verifiably search result. By this search result, we use message authentication code to ensure search accuracy and prevents CSP tampering and improving data search security. By this data set security, we can ensure confidentiality, integrity, and reliability in multi-tenant cloud environment. And we can efficiently search the utilized parallel processing and indent purge for faster and secure search. And we can improve the data security. By this, we can ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and reliability in multi-tenant cloud environment. In this proposed system, we have so many advantages like high data security, verifiable key search result, user accountability, and efficiency and
Okay, Ms.
scalability.
Srivalli, the allotted time for your presentation has been completed. Now let's start our questionnaire part.
Okay, ma'am.
Srivalli, can you differentiate what is authorization and authentication?
So basically, authorization.
Because your paper purely related to data security.
Yes, sir. Basically, authorization means granting the permission to the user to access specific resource or perform
Don't
certain activities.
don't refer any sites.
Okay, sir.
You are referring. I can understand.
So basically, authorization means we can.
Okay, ma. Right. Thank you.
Sir, one more. Amma Srivalli.
Sir.
So encryption. Define the encryption.
So basically, encryption means.
Amma, don't take that much time. Because when you know the answer now, you can speed up.
Yes.
Okay. Immediately we will ask another question, systematic encryption. Because if you take that much of take now one. So rapidly we are asking n number of questions. Right. Okay. We will go for the next.
What is your title?
Privacy preserving and trusted keyword. Search for multi-tenancy clouds.
Okay, thank you, Srivalli, for that insightful presentation. Our next team.
Next, Ankita. Ankita is there?
After lunch session, we can continue with Ankita. Manasa.
Ma'am?
After lunch session, can we continue with Ankita?
Okay.
Ma'am, we are ready, ma'am. Now we are ready.
Ready, huh?
We can do it. Yes, ma'am. We can do it, ma'am.
Okay. Make it fast.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Your good name?
Sir, I'm Sricharan, sir.
Sit at one place and give your presentation.
Sir, actually, I'm at outside, sir. I have some work, sir. It's an urgent work, sir. That's why I'm in.
Ankita, start immediately.
Give priority either this one or that one. Don't keep on moving and give your presentation.
Yes, sir. I stand here, sir.
You sit somewhere.
Sricharan, inform to Ankita.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, she started presentation. Shall I start the ma'am? Shall I start the session?
Yes, you can continue.
Yes, ma'am. Respected jury members, respected teachers, good afternoon, everyone. We are excited to present our research on optimized deep learning models for thyroid nodule classification. I'm Sricharan and I'm presenting this along with my team members, Ankita and Ashrik. We are under the guidance of Geeta Tripathi ma'am from Guru Nanak Institution, Technical Campus. So coming to our abstract, our study addresses the increasing need for early and accurate diagnosis of thyroid cancer. So we can see like manual ultrasound interpretation often leads to delay and errors. So to solve this, we developed a deep learning model using exception CNN architecture. And we explored quantum inspired enhancements also and the result is highly accurate and efficient classification tool for thyroid node. And our accuracy is about 97 percentage. It's nearly about 97 percentage. So that's it. This is our abstract. And coming to our introduction part, so thyroid cancer is one of the most common cancers today. Current diagnosis methods depends heavily on manual image reading, which can be inconsistent. So AI, particularly deep learning, provides a way to automate and improve the accuracy of these diagnoses. So our project uses advanced neural network techniques to assist medical professionals and better for making better decision making. This is our introduction part. So coming to our objective part, the main objective of this project is to build an efficient deep learning model that can be classified thyroid nodules as benign, malignant, and normal conditions. So we aim to reduce malclassification and support faster, more reliable diagnosis by using this exception and CNN model integrated with quantum-inspired techniques. So now my teammate will explain the existing system and all those things. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. So the existing system we are using is quantum convolutional neural networks, which represents a significant advancement at the intersection of quantum computing and AI. QCNNs offer potential advantages beyond those traditional quantum computing models, whether simulated on classical systems or implemented systems on quantum hardware. QCNNs aim to expand the capabilities of image processing and other domains where CNNs have been widely used. Coming to the drawbacks of existing system are high computational cost. Simulating quantum models on classical hardware requires significant computational resources and limited scalability. Quantum algorithms are difficult to scale effectively for large data sets due to inherent quantum complexities. And training complexity, hardly optimized due to unconventional mathematical formulations, and interpretability issues lacks transparency, making classifications difficult to understand. And the proposed system we are using is exception. So exception is an extension of the inception architecture, which is
Okay, Miss Ankita, the allotted time for your presentation has been completed. Let us start your question part.
Mr. Sricharan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is deep learning?
Sir?
What is deep learning?
Sir, actually, deep learning is a type of artificial intelligence that enables the computer to learn and make decisions. So that it is a part of machine learning as well, and it uses the largest structures called neural networks. That's it, sir.
Teacher, and quantum computing, explain what is quantum computing? Just one statement you explain computing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next immediately mobile computing. What is the difference between
Sir, Sir, actually, quantum computing is it's an advanced type of computing that uses the principles of quantum.
mobile computing?
Sir, it is used to solve the complex problems much faster than traditional computers, sir.
Using mobile computing to solve the complex problem. Right?
Thank you everyone who have presented the presentation. After 20 minutes, let's begin our next another participants. Straight point.
What is grid computing? Is it, hello, Mr. Sricharan,
Sir, sir, yeah, sir.
is grid computing more advanced than quantum?
Sir, I'm not aware of it, sir. Sorry.
Okay, right. Sapna madam, wish you all the best, right? Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Shall we take a break for
Yes, sir.
lunch?
Yes, sir.
Right, thank you.
Thank you. Sir, don't close the session, sir. Just mute and unmute the session, sir. Sir, please don't close the session, sir.
రన్ అవుతున్నాయి కదా సెషన్ షేర్ కదా నువ్వు కూడా
Sir, Narasimha, sir. Please unmute yourself and don't close the session, sir. It is live stream, no, sir. Please don't close the session. Just unmute the mic and video, sir. You can continue your lunch. After 20 minutes, we will join, sir. Thank
రైట్
you, sir.
రైట్
Thank you, sir.
రైట్ మేడం రైట్
Thank
కంటిన్యూ
you, sir.
కంటిన్యూ రైట్
Shiva Prasad, sir. Thank you.
By 2:10 we'll be back, madam.
సార్ శివప్రసాద్ సార్ at what time సార్ అచ్చా you will join by 2 o'clock సార్ ఓకే
2:10, 2:10.
2:10 రైట్ సార్
Now it is 1:40.
yes సార్
20 minutes for lunch and 10 minutes for rest.
okay we'll follow up sir thank you we will
Okay,
follow
right,
up
sir.
and we
Right,
will
right,
remind
right.
the time schedule
So, welcome back, everyone. Let us start remaining presentations. Our next presenter is Riya Malapani from from Jawaharlal Nehru Engineering College. Please proceed.
Good afternoon, everyone. Shall we start?
Yeah, you can start.
Yes. Imagine a single cyber attack plunging an entire state into darkness, cutting power to millions and shutting down hospitals, transport, and communication in an instant. This is a real threat facing state load dispatch centers today. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Riya Malpani, presenting with my co-author
Anish Pandey.
under the guidance of Ms. Sushma Deshmukh ma'am. Our paper is titled as Cyber Espionage Against Critical Infrastructure, a case study of targeted attacks on Indian state load dispatch centers.
Our presentation explores what SLDCs and SCADA systems are, how India's digital growth has made us vulnerable, a timeline and technical breakdown of cyber attacks, who the attackers were, the forensic investigation, the government's response, and key recommendations for future protection.
India is experiencing a sharp rise in cyber attacks, especially on critical systems due to the rising digital transformation. Cyber forensics, which investigates digital evidence post attacks, is also becoming as important as cybersecurity itself. Now, it's not just about responding to these cyber threats or cyber attacks, it's about learning from them. Our paper presents a real world case study of a targeted cyber espionage campaign against at least 7 state load dispatch centers that are the nerve centers.
Sorry for the interruption. Can you please wait 2 minutes?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Manasa, check once external seat joined or not. Side. Sir? Sir? Okay, ma, you can continue. Thank you.
Can we continue from where we stopped?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Excuse me, Ria.
Yes, sir.
Please show your first slide containing title of your paper.
Yes, sir.
Your ID is 173.
Yes, sir.
Title Cyber Espionage Against Critical
Infrastructure. Yes, sir.
A case study of targeted attacks on Indian state load dispatch centers.
Yes, sir.
Where these centers are located, ma'am?
Sir, some are in Delhi, some are in Karnataka. Each state has different state load dispatch centers.
Mm-hmm.
If you are talking
Okay,
about India, yes, sir.
okay, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. So, introduction. India is experiencing a sharp rise in cyber attacks, especially on critical systems, due to the rising digital transformation. Cyber forensics, which investigates the digital evidence post attack, is becoming just as important as the cybersecurity itself. Now, it's not just about responding to these cyber crimes or cyber threats. It's about learning from them. So, our paper represents a real world case study of targeted cyber espionage campaign against at least the 7 state load dispatch centers that are the nerve centers of India's power distribution infrastructure.
Now, what are SLDCs and SCADA systems? SLDCs or State Load Dispatch Centers manage a state electricity flow. They balance real-time electricity scheduling and grid stability at state level. They depend heavily on SCADA supervisionary control and data acquisition systems that automates grid control using real-time data and from devices like RTOs and PLCs.
To understand India's cybersecurity landscape, the rapid digitalization under the initiatives like the Digital India has also increased our digital footprint, but it has also exposed us to a lot of cyber threats. Now we are witnessing a rise in phishing, ransomware, and advanced persistent threats. There are cyber attacks on finance, e commerce, government, and increasingly on critical infrastructure.
When did the attack happen? The attack on SLDCs unfolded over several phases. Firstly, in late 2021, threat actors performed surveys scanning for outdated VPN appliances. In early to mid 2022, using Shadowpad malware, they infiltrated deeper into internal networks, particularly SCADA systems. In 23-24, attackers maintained access to continuing surveillance and data exfiltration, not to sabotage, but to quietly observe and collect intelligence.
Now, who were the attackers or who was behind this attack? So, it's pointed out that the attack has been linked to a Chinese state sponsored group, most likely the APT-41, also known as the Red Eco. The key evidences that showed us this was the Shadowpad malware, which was previously affiliated with the Chinese PLA intelligence operations, and the C2 domains and IP addresses, which were matched to the different sectors of Chinese operations. The tools and methods seen in previous campaigns by known PLA linked cyber units.
From a technical standpoint, the attackers executed a sophisticated chain of events, using scans to find exposed SLDC assets. Initial access was gained via VPN vulnerabilities. Malware deployment occurred using DLL side loading.
To understand the cyber forensics investigation that was conducted, we used the Wireshark as well as the volatility. The Wireshark was used to communicate, to encrypt the communicated blacklisted IPs that were used, and volatility was for the memory analysis of the hidden malware. The IOCs showed that the altered Windows registry for persistence, DLLs with abnormal cryptographic signatures, and reused infrastructure from the past Chinese cyber campaigns.
The Indian government responded with urgency. The Ministry of Power ordered immediate cyber audits and network
Okay,
segmentation.
Miss Ria Malpani, your allotted time has been completed. Now we can start our questionnaire part.
Okay.
What exactly is cyber security meaning?
Sir, cybersecurity can be explained as giving protection to all the data that we have on the net, or for all the appliances that we use. In our paper, it was about the state load dispatch centers, which come under the national dispatch center or regional dispatch centers. So it is
I don't want all those, madam. What is cyber security? What it will do?
Sir, it will protect our cybersecurity is basically protection to our all the data that we have presented or that is on the web.
Inka.
Yes, sir.
Any other?
Any other?
It protects our personal data and whatever important information is. online or available over web.
What is malware?
Sir, it is a type of virus. Malware, it is planted into a PC without its original form. Like if we are downloading an application on a laptop or computers or PCs, it gets downloaded, and when you're opening it, then it does its function, that is spreading into our system and hacking that and closing it down.
Mm-hmm.
Also, we could call a subpart ransomware, which we call as a part of malware. In ransomware, the application that we download just shuts off all our access to our PC. Then we have to give a ransom to the hacker, which opens up the malware.
So it provides the security from cyber attacks.
No, sir. Malware is a virus.
No. Cyber security.
Cyber security. Sir, yes.
Does it provide any security from cyber attacks?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
it does. Okay.
Who is the
So
father?
we are
Time is up, sir.
Excuse me. Who is the father of this cyber security?
Sir, that I don't know of. Sorry.
Okay, right. Thank you. Good.
Ria. Once again, go to first slide.
Yes, sir.
Go to first slide.
Just a second, sir.
Right, which contains paper ID and title. Show me that.
Just a second, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. 173.
173, sir.
Wait.
Thank you, Ria Malpani and team for that wonderful presentation. Our next team is Vivanapalli Kaushik from Nanak Institutional Technical Campus. Please proceed.
Kindly others mute your mic.
Kaushik and Narasimha sir is here. Sir, please mute your mic.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today, I am going to present my project title is Smart Diagnosis of Rice Plant Tissues Through Images. I'm going to share the screen now.
Okay, share your presentation.
This is my presentation, sir.
Smart diagnosis.
The title of the paper is Smart Diagnosis of Rice Plant Issues Through Images. Yes, sir. Sir, I'm going to start the presentation now.
Okay,
Paddy leaf diseases threaten global. Thank you, sir. Paddy leaf diseases threaten the global crop yielding and food security, a pressing issue for rice-dependent regions. Almost half of the population are dependent on the paddy only in the world. Okay. Manual detection and other type of detections are very slow, and it is very inaccurate for large fields in the world. So the proposed solution leverages exception deep learning model, maintaining high-level accuracy, ideal page-based classification, fine-tuned with image weight via the general visual features to explain activity. The objective.
You're not skipping the slide.
The objective is to focus on. Yes, I moved to objective slide, sir. I'm explaining our objective slide, sir. The project goal with focus on developing an automated deep learning system is to create a system that identify diseases like bacterial blind spot, brown spot, and leaf smut using exception architecture. And optimization through fine-tuning exception enhances its accuracy and generalization. Next slide, sir. Coming to introduction, rice feeds all over the world, almost. But diseases like bacterial blight, brown spot, and leaf smut harm rice plants, lowering how much and how good the rice is. Checking for these diseases by hands takes a lot of time and effort, and even that takes a lot of time also, it can be go wrong. So deep learning can do this by looking at pictures to spot diseases early. The existing system is the efficient for paddy leaf disease classification, highlighting its drawback. First, efficient net before making it slow for real-time use, especially on devices with limited power. Second, its high resource demands. It struggles in process images quickly in low power settings. Lastly, it misses early disease signs, which is crucial for paddy crops, which are and it is in the early stages only crops can be saved. This is a proposed system of the efficient net before model. I introduced the exceptions architecture. It is exception based model for paddy leaf disease classification, highlighting its strength. Firstly, exception processes images very quickly compared to efficient net before, and secondly, it trains faster by starting with image net weights, reading fewer label paddy leaf diseases, and it also identifies disease patterns very quickly. Thirdly, it gives instant disease results, and that helps the farmers to act upon the disease very quickly. Next session. This is the system architecture of the exception model. It takes the image of the rice leaf and process it through various layers called separable.
Okay, Mr. Kaushik, the allotted time for your presentation has been completed. Let us start the questionnaire part.
What is meant by separable convolution in deep learning? Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
What is the methodology that you adopted for training the data sets?
Sir, exception model architecture in deep learning I adopted for the training data set, sir.
Is it data set training comes under deep learning or machine learning?
It comes under deep learning, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
No.
Image processing is done through deep learning, sir.
You are using machine learning or deep learning for data set training?
Deep learning is used for image processing patterns, sir.
I am asking you which machine learning or deep learning, which one you are using?
Deep learning, sir.
Deep learning, okay.
Yes, sir.
So how you are going to train the data sets using deep learning?
Through images, sir. We train two different kinds of images, sir. For example, healthy paddy leaves, and also
why you are saying images, data set training, I am asking. What is exactly data set, do you know?
Sorry, sir, I don't have.
Then you are using the word data set. You must be aware of data set. Without data set, there is no paper title justification.
Yes, sir. That data sets it is a group of maybe data or images. It can be of any type, sir. It can be of tables. It can be of images. I maybe that is the definition of the data set, sir.
You know.
Time is up, sir.
Also, if you can correct me, sir. What is mean by data set?
Data set training in machine learning, particularly using machine learning.
Yes, sir.
Which involves using data to train a model.
Okay, sir.
The training process typically involves splitting the data, evaluating the data.
Yes, sir.
For which various methods are being adopted, which are used to optimize the training process.
Okay, sir.
Such as validation, augmentation, and so on.
Okay, sir.
Time is up, sir.
Similarly, using deep learning also, various algorithms, methods are available.
Yes, sir.
For training the data sets.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kaushik, for the insightful presentation. Our next team is Malli Shivaramakrishna from VIT AP University. Please proceed.
Paper ID 218.
Yes, madam.
218.
218.
Sir, Mallu Shivari Ramakrishna author ID is 192, sir. Sir, paper ID is 192. Can you please check one, sir?
Krishna Anand.
Hello, sir. This is Sheikh Junaid Ahmad. My paper ID is Ncft-25.
Please wait, Junaid Ahmad Sheikh. You have 5 minutes more.
Yes.
Okay. Please wait. Now Mallu Shivari Ramakrishna is presented. His ID is 190. Yeah, tell me.
My paper ID is 218, madam.
Yes, your paper ID is 218. We have noted your details. Don't worry.
Okay.
We will give time for you. Okay?
Okay,
done.
Excuse me, madam.
Sir.
After Kaushik, 192 paper ID, Mithun Krishna Anand.
Yes, sir.
Is he available?
Yes, sir. Sir, name is not Krishna Anand, sir. His name is Mallu Shivarama Krishna, sir. 192 ID name is Mallu Shivarama Krishna.
But in the list,
yes, sir. In the list, it is mistakenly typed. Sir, it is mistake, sir.
218.
Can you please note down Mallu Shivarama Krishna, 192 ID.
192 is Shivarama Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, I have to change the things. $192 belongs to Shivaram Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Then what about this Krishnanand?
Krishnanand, that name is not correct, sir. That ID belongs to Malli Shivarama Krishna, sir.
192.
Yes, sir.
Mallu Shivaram Krishna. Okay, 192 is not there.
Yes, sir. It is there. Name is Mallu Shivarama Krishna, not Krishna Anand, sir.
Madam.
Yeah.
Then 218 belongs to whom?
Sir, 218 belongs to Junaid Ahmad Sheikh.
Junaid.
Yes, sir. Junaid Ahmad Sheikh. These are the only two changes, sir. Remaining all same, sir. 218 and 192. 192
so
is
after 192, 202.
Yes, sir. After 192, 202, 208.
Varsha.
Yes, sir. Varsha.
Next to 208, Benjamin.
Yes, sir. But Benjamin is not presented, sir. Her co-author will present, Anushka and Pallavi.
Okay, no issue at all.
Okay.
218, Junaid Ahmed. 218, Katyayani.
234, Katyayani.
234, 218, Ahmed.
Yes, sir. Ahmad.
241, Siddiqui.
Sir, 241, 253 is not available, sir.
241 and
253.
okay, remaining 78,
Remaining all same, sir. No
299.
changes. 278, sir. Now 278. Jala Kavya. Next to 279, J. Stravya. And
Now the presenter is
Mallu Shivaramakrishna, 192.
okay.
Okay,
Right.
please
Go ahead.
continue, Shivaramakrishna.
5 seconds. My presentation is visible, sir. Okay. Myself is Malu Shivaram Krishna, research scholar, VIT University, Amravati. Today, my paper title is Evaluating the Impact of Quantum Algorithms on Modern Cybersecurity Mechanism. My paper ID is Ncft-192. First of all, good afternoon, one and all. These are my contents: introduction to quantum computing, motivation, the classical and quantum computing, and quantum algorithm cybersecurities, quantum algorithms, quantum threats to cyber cryptography, the rise of the post-cryptography, and enhancing digital security with PQC, and quantum resistant blockchain and distributed ledgers, conclusion, future scope, and differences. This paper represents total overall algorithms of the cyber quantum computing algorithm with regards to the cybersecurity and blockchain. First introduction. What is the quantum computing definition? The quantum computing is using qubits, that is superposition and entanglement, to solve the problem exponentially faster than the classical computers. The key difference is the classical computing is work with the binary digits, binary bits, that is zeros and ones. That is either apply the 0 and 1. It is a deterministic. The quantum computing is a qubit. It is applied 0 and 1 simultaneously. It is totally probabilistic. The relevance, it is a breakthrough classical encryption, that is RSA and ACC algorithms, and it is enables the quantum computing is enables ultra secure QKT, quantum cryptography. Next, motivation behind this one: the quantum computing poses significant threat to widely used encryption standards such as RSA, ECC, and AES. Therefore, the proactive research is essential to access this risk and develop the quantum resistant solutions. And the classical and quantum computing. The classical computing is a binary operation, that is either previously discussed the zeros and ones. It is the total is depends upon the Boolean logic. After that, it is going to classical processing. Finally, it is the deterministic outcomes. But quantum computing is a totally worked on the qubits, and it is a mixed with the superposition and entanglement. After that, it is a quantum processing, and finally, it is gets the probabilistic outcomes. And this is the unveiling quantum algorithm cybersecurity influence. The challenge traditional cryptography methods to make and set an encryption token that is a very less secure and key exchange. The quantum algorithms also enables more efficient key exchange and enhance the threat detection capabilities. And additionally, it is help to access a vulnerability, making the cybersecurity system more adaptive and resistant to evolve the threats. And the vulnerability assessment is a final stage, that is a needed new strategy safeguard for the digital systems. This is the quantum computing impact on the cryptography, that is the RSA and ECC. That is a quantum algorithms break RSA and ECC keys easily, but hash function, it is a faster collision attacks threaten data security. And symmetric cryptography, it is applies the Groves algorithm to reduce the AES strength. The key exchange is that is the quantum key distribution. It is ever dropping the encrypted communication become a possibilities. The quantum threat Shores and Groves. So many algorithms is there, but because of time strain, I'm discuss the Shores algorithm and Groves algorithm. The Shores algorithm poses a significant threat widely used public key cryptography like RSA and encryptic cryptography, that is ECC. And Groves algorithm, while not directly breaking the cryptography primitives, that is the Groves algorithm significantly reduces the effective key length of the symmetric ciphers and hash functions. These are the quantum algorithm, that is Shor's and algorithm and Groves algorithm. Here, Shor's algorithm can be large integers, break the RSA and ECC encryption, and threaten digital signatures. Meanwhile, the Groves algorithm is accelerate the search engines, that is weaken symmetric encryption and impact the hash function. These algorithms are demonstrated potential for the quantum computing to challenge existing cryptography methods. These are the threats for the cryptography, that is the AES security reduction on the RSA and ECC vulnerable, and SHA-256 impact. It is a Grover's algorithm.
Okay, Mr. Shivaramakrishna, your allotted time has been completed. Let's start our questionnaire part.
Okay, okay, madam. Okay.
Yes, Mr. Sivaram Krishna.
Yes, sir.
To which branch of science this quantum computing belongs?
That is a physics, sir, but it is the applications are everywhere, sir. The quantum computing is used in cloud computing, blockchain technology, and cyber security, and quantum machine learning, and quantum deep learning. The applications are everywhere, sir. This one.
What is the root?
The main core is the in the physics, sir.
Okay, okay. What is the root of this word quantum?
The root of means really root of this quantum is nothing but sorry, sir, I'm unable to recall.
Does it involve any quantum mechanics?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Previously, it is existed, sir. Quantum mechanics is existed, sir. In physics, sir. It is a quantum mechanics existed in physics, sir.
It is a multidisciplinary.
Yes, sir. It is a multidisciplinary, sir.
Both the computer science, physics, and mathematics also.
Yes, sir. It is everywhere, sir. Like in a sweet shop, it is a sugar. The quantum is nothing but sugar, sir. It is applicable any sweet. Like any branch, it is applicable, sir.
Okay. Then can you mention some quantum mechanics that you have applied or used?
Right now, the research is going on, sir. In my paper, right now, actually, in my paper also discussed different. Yes, sir. This is the.
How? Can you please explain how this quantum computing is applied in cyber security?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, we have here see the diagram, sir. Mapping quantum algorithms to cyber challenge. Total VHT is applicable, sir. Quantum algorithm and quantum resistant cryptography and BB protocols also it is applicable, sir. And
sir,
blockchain security. Blockchain security also out there, and the quantum key distribution is the main role of the here cyber security, sir.
Okay.
Sir, time is up, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Right.
Thank you, Shiva Krishna, for that insightful presentation. Our next team is Jaknampalli Varsha.
Can I leave now?
From
you can.
Nanak Institutional Technical Campus. Please proceed. Yes, my teammate will be sharing the screen, Tanusha.
Okay. Your paper ID?
Sir, 202.
J. Varsha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Good afternoon to all the respected guests, delegates, and faculty members present here. We are honored to be part of NCFT 2025. Our project is titled Shielding Video Data Against Energy Quanta Computing Threats. We are undergraduate students from Guru Nanak Institution's Technical Campus. My name is G. Tanusha and my teammates are J. Varsha and K. Nikhil Sagar under the guidance of Rajashri Ma'am, Associate Professor, JNTH. And the overview of the presentation is abstract, objective, introduction, existing.
Please go back to your title. Shielding video data against
energy quanta computing threats.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, sir. And coming to abstract, this project offers a secure and user-friendly video processing solution with encryption and watermarking. The key features include user authentication, encrypted video storage, key and frame separation for secure handling, watermark extraction using OpenCV. And the goal of this project is to create a secure, user-friendly video processing system that ensures confidentiality, integrity, and protection of video. It leverages strong encryption methods with watermarking to verify authenticity. And the introduction.
In today's world of widespread digital content sharing, ensuring video security and integrity is crucial. This project addresses these concerns by integrating encryption, watermark embedding, and secure description to protect the video transmission. And now my teammate Nikhil will continue the presentation.
Coming to the existing system, right now, video encryption relies on traditional methods like AES and RSA to keep data safe. These methods ensure confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity. But as computers get more powerful, attackers finds many ways to break them. As they go for brute force attacks and other security threats are becoming common nowadays. Even though SSL encryption adds some protections to existing systems, and isn't strong enough against advanced threats. That's why we need smarter and stronger security solutions to keep video data safe. This is the existing system.
Please unmute.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, sir. Sorry. Our proposed system is a secure Flash-based web application which is built to protect the video content through encryption, watermark embedding, and key management. Security features includes the video encryption. Here we use Xiaomi secret key sharing for video encryption. And before the encryption, the watermark is embedded into each video frame using OpenCV, which is a library used for watermark embedding. And the frame-by-frame encryption is performed instead of encrypting the video as a big file. We encrypt it frame by frame. And after the encryption process, each frame shares are stored secretly in the storage system. And while the decryption phase, the users provide their key shares. And once the required number of key shares is submitted, the system reconstructs the encryption key. It then decrypts as the individual frames, reassembles the complete video as a original video file, and then the user can extract from the first frame for verification, so that finally the user can download the decrypted video or inspect the individual encrypted frames in this way. And the main important advantages of this proposed system is that it enables the high enhanced security, and it is user-friendly web interface such that the user can easily register and log in and upload the files, go for watermarking, encryption process, and easily they can decrypt. It maintains the authenticity, confidentiality, and integrity. This is how the proposed system goes on. And coming to system architecture, the original video file is uploaded, and the original video file is then divided into different scenes, shots, and the frames. The frames are
Varsha, the allotted time for your presentation has been completed. Let's start our questionnaire part.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Ms. Varsha.
Yes, sir.
Your topic is good.
Thank you, sir.
What are the encryption techniques that you have used?
Sir, actually, for encryption, we are using the normal encryption processor. But after encryption,
What is that normal process?
Sir, AES, RSA algorithms.
How you are encrypting a video file?
Sir, actually, the video. Okay, sir. The video file. Yes, sir.
Which methodology that you are using? Which technique you are using?
Okay, sir.
There are so many techniques.
Yes, sir. The whole video file we are dividing into bit frames.
Frame means an image.
Yes, sir.
What is the format of that image?
The JPG, sir.
What stands for JPEG?
Sir?
JPEG stands for what?
It stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group, sir.
What is JPG?
It is a format of images, sir.
What is the difference between JPEG and JPG?
JPG and JPEG. Done, sir.
Sir, time is up, sir.
Without knowing that, how you will encrypt?
So these are the only difference is the file extension name. So that's it.
Sorry. Compression.
Okay, sir.
JPEG file size is more compared with JPG.
Okay, sir.
JPG is uncompressed.
JPEG.
So JPEG is a compressed file format.
Okay, sir.
So lesser than JPG.
Yes, sir.
File size. So you are splitting the video into frames.
Yes, sir. And then we are giving the key shares.
How it
separately.
is encryption you have done. Okay, leave it. What
Yes,
is
sir.
the decryption method that you are using?
Using the decryption, while decryption, the different key shares are given for different frames, sir. So the user need to give all the
Because you have
shares.
divided the entire video into frames or images.
Yes, sir.
Sir, sorry
How
for
you are going to
interrupting.
restructure all these images into a sequence and a continuous video is presented.
Yes, sir. Complete video is given.
Complete video you are splitting into frames, amma.
Yes, sir.
You are encrypting it.
Yes, sir.
And I am asking you, what is the encryption method that you are using?
Decryption method.
Are? What
So
is
the
the
same,
encryption method that you are using on this frame?
sir, the same Shamir's secret sharing key is used for secure reconstruction and ensuring that the
Decryption
only
of
authorized
the
users can decrypt the video, sir.
No.
Sir, sorry for the interruption, sir. Sir,
Please.
sir, sorry for the interruption, sir. The time given is more, sir. Already this panel. Can we move another session, another one, sir? Can we move on, please?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right now.
Thank you, Varsha and team, for the insightful presentation. Our next team is Anushka and Pallavi, co-authors from Guru Nanak Institutional Technical Campus. Please proceed.
Good afternoon. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Our topic is machine learning based diabetes prediction with enhanced accuracy. Now I'm sharing the presentation.
Your paper ID?
Sir, it is 208.
Where is this Benjamin?
Sir, he is in hospital due to health issues. Sir.
Okay, you go ahead. Machine learning based diabetic.
Yes, sir. Our topic is machine learning based diabetes prediction with enhanced accuracy. And my name is Anushka and my teammate Pallavi is, we both are going to present the topic. Now my friend will start with the introductions.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our title name is Machine Learning Based Diabetes Prediction with Enhanced Accuracy. The overview of the presentation is abstract, objective, and existing system, proposed system and system architecture, system modules, and system analysis and design, and future enhancement and conclusion. The abstract of our project is diabetic is a serious health problem nowadays. This problem is overview to predict the diabetes earlier can help this project to help people to take the right steps to manage their health issues. by using random forest and K-means algorithm in this project. And this model, we compress the label categorized into individual like diabetic, non-diabetic, and pre-diabetic modules. These individual labels are accompanying the prediction course-wise. Next, the main goal of this project is accurately predict the whether a person has diabetes or not. We're using mainly gender and age variability in this project, and real world data sets like glucose levels and medical data sets, and we're using a machine learning algorithm in this, and assembling learning. This learning is approach this learning approach is employed assembling learning. Multiple model together give the output is one overview.
Okay, next.
The existing system of this project, we using.
Okay, go to conclusion.
So the conclusion of our project is that using the data sets or using the data sets such as age and gender, we are going to create a machine learning model so that we will predict whether the patient is having diabetes, pre-diabetic or non-diabetic. This will help the doctors to analyze their health issue and give them a better treatment. And the algorithm used here are K-means clustering and random forest. So through this, we will have a improved accuracy, and the classification is very better than other previous traditional methods. So it is very helpful for the real world healthcare applications.
Okay, ma. Right, all the best.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, you can quit.
Thank you, Ms. Anushka and Pallavi, for that insightful presentation. Our next team is Junaid Ahmad Sheikh from School of Computational Science. Please proceed.
Okay, thank you, madam. Am I audible? Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have shared the screen. So let me start the presentation from here. I am Sheikh Junaid Ahmad from Hingoli, research scholar at Swami Ramanand Marathwada University, Nanded, Maharashtra. And my research paper topic is a comparative study of deepfake threat landscape in surface web and dark web. So, in this presentation, we will be covering about these topics which is given on the screen. And let us first proceed with the introduction first. So, what are deepfakes? So let us first understand what is mean by deepfake. Deepfake is nothing but the fake video, image or audio created using artificial intelligence to make it look or sound like a real person did or said something they never actually did. So it uses deep learning to copy face, voice and movement in every realistic way using GAN and diffusion model. So what is deepfake? Deepfake is nothing but the process of creating fake video, image and audio using the AI. So why this study is important? So here we are studying because profiltration of deepfake across digital ecosystem, because here deepfake are spreading quickly across internet, on social media, video platform and messaging app, making it easier for fake content to reach large audience. And the second, why this is second reason that demonstrate importance of this study is distinct challenge posed by surface web versus dark web environment. On the surface web like Google and YouTube, deepfake are easier to track and remove, whereas on the dark web it is harder because users are anonymous, contents are hidden, and law enforcement has limited access for making it bigger challenge. So the next objective is compare analysis of deepfake threat across both the layers, that is that is web that is normal internet and the dark web. background of this study and motivation behind this study is, so basically whatever the deepfake content that are available online can be accessed using YouTube or social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, and whatever the social media or video platforms are available. So on the on the surface on the surface on the surface net, there are heavy moderated or way through which user can monitor whether the content are legit or false, whereas in the dark web we need to access whatever the dark web media with the help of Tor browser, that is and the I2P, that is it is a virtual private network. And the second thing that makes dark web danger is its anonymity nature and very low regulations. And the motivation behind this study is law
Go
enforcement
next.
and
Skip.
so this is the research methodology from where
Very
we have
short
collected
time you
data.
have completed fast.
We have collected the data from YouTube, Facebook, and we have trained various models using deep learning and machine learning as well. And these are the data sets, that is face forensic plus and exception models. And we have collected the data from January 2023 to December 2024.
You are
So
not
key
skipping the
findings.
slide. Hello, Mr. Ahmed.
Okay.
Skip your
Yes, sir.
slide. You are not at all changing your slides.
Hey, 1 second, sir. I have shared
Okay,
the screen.
Mr. Junaid Ahmad Sheikh, your allotted time for your presentation has been completed. Let's start our questionnaire part.
Yes.
Okay, go to the title slide. First slide.
This one, sir.
What is the difference between the surface web and dark web?
Surface web is easily accessible through normal website like Facebook and YouTube, whereas dark web is a special platform where it is not in-depth software like Tor browser and virtual private network to access it.
The exact difference what it is?
The exact difference is whatever the media that whatever we access using Chrome browser like Facebook, YouTube, it is basically surface web. But there are certain website that is not basically indexed in the Google. So that is the what we call the dark web or the deep web. Yes, sir.
Then what is this? A deep web or dark web?
Deep web and dark web, these are the another two layers of the internet, where dark web is somehow accessible using some special tools or some keywords, whereas deep web is another layer of the internet where you need a specialized software and the hardware to access it, like Tor browser and the virtual
Time
private
up, sir.
network, that is VPN.
Okay, right.
Sir,
Thank
time
you.
up, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Junaid Ahmad Sheikh, for that insightful presentation. Our next team is Jala Katyayani from Guru Nanak Institutional Technical Campus. Please proceed.
Good afternoon, sir. My friend will be sharing the screen.
Cyber threat detection. Okay, go ahead.
Sorry for inconvenience, sir. I think there might be some network issue with my friend.
So I'm so sorry, I was on mute. Hello.
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ankisha, and I will be presenting the paper on cyber threat detection and profiling using AI. My paper ID is NCFT_234, and we are the team of undergraduate student from Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Guru Nanak Institute of Technical Campus, and my fellow.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Next slide. Don't waste your time.
Today we will be praising our AI-powered framework that uses NLP and machine learning for real-time threat detection by leveraging Twitter as an open-source intelligent platform. Our system collects threat intelligence, processes it through tokenization, NER, NTF, IDF, and maps threats to MITRE, ATT, and CK framework. And this automation reduces analyst workload, achieves a high F1 score of 77% for threat profiling, as the rapid increase in the uses of internet in business, government, and social interaction. We we made a system which can detect the threats and profile it. My friend Katyani will be introducing about the proposed system.
Okay.
Katyani.
Afternoon, sir. Our proposed system has involved a cyber security framework. It is MITRE attack. This framework is used to know the behavior of the cyber threat. Previously, in the existing system, this is not there. We just to detect the threat, but we don't know what behavior is there. Like in the cyber forensics, cyber security, they'll be checking the behavior also. It is very important aspect to fast up the process to find the threat and crime hacker who is the hacker. So in the cyber threat we'll be having three things. We have to find the capability of the hacker and the opportunity of the hacker and intent of the hacker. When we go to the frame when we use a website, in the website we'll be having the firewall that will be stopping only the opportunity of the hacker, but in our project we'll be like the cyber security person who is going to find the hacker. He can also find the intentions of the hacker and the capabilities, what he can do in the project, like what he is going to do with this, and is it a malware or phishing, what type of cyber threat it is, and what are the proportional, what are the risk and how to mitigate them. Like this will be very useful for the cyber security. And in the cyber security there will be two teams, like a red team and blue team. And red team who is going to
Okay,
like
Miss Katyayani, time for your presentation has been completed. Let's start a questionnaire part.
okay.
హలో నరసింహచారి గారు, మీరు అడగండి.
Yeah. Yeah, Aman, yeah, go to first slide. First slide.
So 1 second.
What do you mean by threat?
Threat which causes the system or a person which collects the with unauthorized access and without any information accessing the others data and blackmailing them, asking for ransom. All these comes under threat.
How many type of profilings? The types of profilings.
Types of
Profiling types. What is
Criminal
ChatGPT?
profiling. Profiling
Yeah,
can be
tell me.
like crime or um, detecting who is the hacker and
So how these
who is
profilings are
Time up, sir.
okay, am I right? Okay, good.
Thank you, Katyayani and team, for the wonderful presentation. Our next team is Sadia Mahim from college
thank you.
from Guru Nanak Institutional Technical Campus. Please proceed.
Yeah. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Sadia Mahin Siddiqui, and I am in my second year of Computer Science and Engineering at Osmania University Campus College. I'll be presenting my paper, Truth Lens, which is an AI-powered fake news and misinformation detection using multimodal analysis. Uh, to introduce, let us briefly go through the problem context. So, currently in the digital era, we have a number of challenges, but the ones that are primary are the misinformation crisis. Also, the lack of tools which can detect this misinformation is also a primary crisis. So now I introduce Truth Lens, which integrates natural language processing, computer vision, and external APIs for robust detection of real and fake news. So we are utilizing a natural language processing, fact checking, and web scraping APIs along with computer vision to detect not only text but also image and video based deepfake information and news.
Okay, Sadia, go to the first slide.
Yes, sir.
Truth Lens AI powered fake news.
Can I continue, sir?
Please, hold on. Okay, go ahead.
Sure, sir. So in the first section, we'll briefly discuss about the text-based analysis first. So in the text-based analysis, I have created or trained my own machine learning model using a Kaggle dataset, which was a fake and real news detection dataset. So after training on this model using TF-IDF, which is text frequency and inverse document frequency model, plus the linear support vector classification, I was able to have 99.8% accuracy. And this was the first machine learning model I trained for text-based analysis. The other tools I used for the fact verification of the text was Google Fact Check API. Also, I have used web scraping using Beautiful Soup and Selenium. And also, lastly, I have used TextBlob library, which allows users to do a sentiment analysis on the text data. By combining all these four outputs, the model I created, then the Google Fact Check API, web scraping, and sentiment analysis, I was able to get a credibility score where I put in a weight of 30% for ML model, 25% for fact check API, 30% for web verification, and 15% for sentiment weight. And I was able to get this confusion matrix after training my data and getting the true positives, true negatives, and all those data. Then after getting that, I was successfully able to classify text as deepfake or real image and real text classification. Then image analysis के लिए I trained my own vision transformer, which gave me a accuracy of 97.5%. Along with that, I also tried error level analysis, such as detecting the pixel inconsistency in the image, which is usually seen in AI generated images. So using this image analysis, I was able to classify images as 3 categories: AI, deepfake, and real image. These are the results of the image classification. You can see the precision, recall, F1 score, and support. Lastly, in the third section, video misinformation detection was done by using exception model. And first, before applying exception model, I have used OpenCV to extract the frames at 5 frames per second of rate. And then after extracting those frames,
Okay, Ms. Sadia Mahim, the time for your allotted for your presentation has been completed. Let's start a questionnaire part.
Okay, Sadia, please
Yes.
tell me what are the applications of this truthless where it can be used efficiently?
Yes. Sir, firstly, this can be used in each and every household today because fake information, fake news is something that spreads like wildfire. So, like household users like you and me who check news every day can use my tool to detect whether a particular news is a deepfake news or it is actually correct. It not only uses AI, but it also fetches the data from online, from the web scraping, and then using the 5 top search results, it tells us that whether our information that we have, the piece of text is true or whether it is generated by AI, it is false or it is misleading.
Okay.
So time up, sir.
Right, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sadia Mahatam. Sadia Mahin, for that insightful presentation. Our next team is Jala Kavya from Guru Nanak Institutional Technical Campus. Please proceed.
Sir, 253 Anusha is not available, sir. Please note down.
Oh,
Thank you.
which one, madam?
53 Anusha, sir.
Next paper ID?
241 just now over, sir. 253 Anusha is not available. Next 278 Jala
Hold
Kavya.
on. 241 Sadia is over.
Yes, sir.
Next one is
253 Anusha.
253 Anusha Nadigar, not available.
Yes, sir. She is not available.
78.
Now 278 presenting.
Okay.
You can start, Ma Kavya.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kavya. I'm here with my team members, Kishore, Jitender. We are undergraduate scholars from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. And today we are excited to present our research work on insurance fraud detection. Our paper ID is Ncft-25. Title of the paper is Insurance Scam Identification on Class Asymmetric Datasets with Missing Values through Machine Learning Based Method. Overview includes abstract, objective, introduction, existing system, proposed system, system architecture, result, enhancements, conclusion. This study includes car insurance fraud detection by addressing class imbalance and missing data values. The AdaBoost classifier significantly boosts accuracy and reduces overfitting, demonstrating the value of data quality and advanced algorithms. The main objective of this project is to build fraud detection system for the automobile insurance sector by addressing class imbalance and missing data. By that, it improves accuracy and reduce overfitting. Introduction includes automobile insurance fraud causes financial losses and impacts premium pricing. Existing system includes logistic regression, decision trees, random forest, and KNN. Disadvantages of existing system are class imbalance, handling missing data, overfitting, limited performance with complex fraud patterns, inefficient fraud detection. Proposed system includes AdaBoost classifier. By these advantages are it enhances fraud detection, it optimizes model performance, it reduces overfitting, increases accuracy. System architecture. Here, original data set is under data encoding. By that, further it is data imputed and data without imputed. After that, it splits data set and it tests the data and it trains the data by the AdaBoost classifier. The performance evaluation increases. Here we register to the page, we enter the values, it gives the performance analysis whether it is fraud or not fraud.
I speed up.
Feature enhancement for a vehicle insurance fraud detection with ADA Boost include adding real-time analytics and AI methods shape line can increase model transparency, enhancing scalability and using adaptive learning will help the system handle
Kavya,
larger
go
data
to next
sets.
slide.
Conclusion. This project demonstrates the ADABUS classifier significantly improves vehicle insurance fraud detection by effectively class imbalance and missing data. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, Kavya. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Are there any other classifier methodology that we can adopt on this?
Sir?
What are the other classifier techniques that we can apply on this method? Instead of ADA Boost classifier, can we apply any other classifiers? There are so many classifiers. Computing classifiers, so many are there.
Yes, sir.
Why only ADA Boost?
It increases accuracy, sir.
Okay, all the best.
Okay.
Thank you, Kavya and team, for that wonderful presentation. Our next team is J. Shravya from Guru Nanak Institutions of Technical Campus. Please proceed.
Yes.
Next paper title ID, madam? 279.
Yes, sir, 279.
Rabia, okay.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon to all the respected guests and faculty. We are delighted to be a part of NCFT. I'm Shravya and my team members are Varun and Vinay. We are here to present a project on the topic AI model for identification of micronutrient deficiency in banana crop. Coming to the overview of our project, there's abstract, objective, introduction, existing system, proposed system, system architecture, result, future enhancement, conclusion, and references. The abstract of this project is this research introduces a deep learning method using an optimized CNN to
Display the slides. Where is your presentation slides? Savya.
Sir?
Shravya, slides are not moving.
Go to first slide.
So now is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir. So the abstract of this project is that the research introduces a deep learning method using an optimized CNN to identify micronutrient deficiencies in banana crops by analyzing leaf images. The model achieves high accuracy in classifying deficiency types, improving feature extraction and precision. This study highlights potential of AI to transform agriculture and support crop health monitoring. The objective of this project is to develop CNN-based model that detects and classifies micronutrient deficiency in banana leaves. This approach enables nutrient management, reduces reliance on manual diagnosis, and promotes sustainability. Introduction, the balanced nutrients are critical for banana crops, but the traditional manual diagnosis is slow and error prone. This work that we have done proposes a CNN model trained on banana leaf to automatically identify the deficiencies. Compared to models like Ncft-25 dense and Ncft-25 dense, this CNN architecture improves feature learning and adaptability, advancing AI applications in agriculture.
Good afternoon, everyone. Coming to the existing system, the current system uses a hybrid model called Ncft-25 dense. combining Inception version 3, which is used for multi-scale feature extraction, and DenseNet for better gradient flow. While it offers good accuracy, it is also having some kind of drawbacks like high complexity, more memory usage, and longer training time, making it less ideal for real-time and mobile deployment. So, to overcome the drawback, we are coming with the proposed system which uses a optimized CNN architecture designed specifically for classifying micronutrient deficiencies in banana leaves. Unlike the hybrid Incept version 3 dense model, this approach focuses on efficient feature extraction with fewer layers, reducing model complexity and training time. It also improves accuracy while maintaining low computational cost, making it suitable for real-time agricultural applications. And next, coming to the system architecture, while when we are taking the image as a input for the model, the image size should be 32 into 32 into 3, which is the length, width, and height of the image. And also the image is having the each pixel having three color channels, which includes RGB values. RGB stands for red, green, and blue. So the feature extraction part automatically learns and extracts important features from the input image. The feature extraction part is having the three convolution blocks, which consists of two layers for each block. So coming for the first block, it is having two layers, which mainly focuses on to detect simple features like edges and textures of the image, and also the max pooling is used for the reducing the image size
Okay,
from to
next
32.
slide. Go to next.
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Shravya, the time for your allotted time for your presentation has been completed. Let's start our questionnaire part.
నరసింహం గారు అడగండి.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, okay. So, am I display slide, first slide?
Yes.
Title slide will display.
Yes, sir.
279 Shravya.
So, define
AI model for identification.
I define AI.
Yes, sir. So, AI is a branch of computer science wherein requires tasks that require human intelligence. It enables machines to think and act like humans.
Different models for identification.
Sorry, sir?
What are the different AI models for identification?
Yes, sir.
Using ChatGPT?
No, sir.
You are taking much time.
Different AI models, CNN and
Time up, sir.
Thank you, my right.
Thank you, Shravya and team, for the insightful presentation. Our next team is co-author Manideep and Teja from Guru Nanak Institutional Technical Campus. Please proceed.
Paper ID, madam.
Sir, her paper ID is 280, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Madhuri is not available, sir. Co-author will presenting Teja and Manideep, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
And my team member will sharing the screen.
Your name?
Teja, sir.
Okay. Go to first slide. Title.
Good afternoon.
Hold on.
Hello, sir. Is screen visible, sir?
Not good.
Now, sir?
Now it is okay.
Sir, now?
Right, okay.
Continue, Babu.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Teja, and our team members are J. Mandip and Madhuri. Here, the title of our paper is Development of Voice-Based College Circular System.
Hmm.
Here, the overview of our presentation is look it on the screen. And when it comes to an abstract, here the main aim of our project is to develop a voice-based college circular system. In this, we are using fingerprint authentication and speech to text conversion. Here, the main aim of our project is to improve the communication in the educational institutions by replacing the traditional methods like paper-based circulars and notice boards. Here we are using speech to text conversion and fingerprint authentication and smart display technologies. Here initially the user will speak something. Here the speech to text conversion will convert the speech to text, and after that,
go to next slide.
Here the main aim of our project is to develop a voice-based college circular system.
Next.
Here, when it comes to introduction, the traditional methods like paper-based notice boards and emails.
Next. Go to methodology. Yes, proposed system. Previous. Back.
Sir, this is the starting of the proposed system.
Go ahead.
So in proposed system, we are using authentication module. In authentication module, we are using finger-based login. Here the unauthorized users will not access the app, and if an authorized user can access, then only the user can access. Here the speak to text conversion initially converts the speech to text. After converting the speech to text, the message is sent to the broadcasting devices like TVs, tablets, or any smart TVs or display boards.
Next.
Here the main advantages of proposed system is we are eliminating the notice boards and papers also. Here the speed of the circulation and distribution in the entire university or educational institutions also. Here the user can typing, instead of typing long messages, the user can quickly record the circulars using voice inputs.
Okay, Mr. Teja and Manidip, the allotted time for your presentation has been completed. Let's start with your questionnaire part.
Yes, Mr. Teja.
Sir.
Already existing apps are available for this. What is the innovation that you have included in your presentation?
Sir, in existing apps, there is no authentication available, sir. In existing apps, there is no authentication available for faculties. Here, anyone can access and anyone can send the messages.
Only your phone, your mobile, OK Google or ChatGPT, everyone is having a login.
Yes.
That itself is authorized.
No, sir. Initially, for this app, we are providing some authentication, sir. Fingerprint or PIN.
Even this Gemini or ChatGPT or some other AI apps, nowadays they can create voice, text, whatnot, everything they can develop just by giving a command.
Yes, sir. For broadcasting, the administrator or HOD of the college can
Okay,
only
go
have
to
the right
the
Time up, sir.
go to the last slide result.
Sir, time up, sir.
Next. Okay. All the best.
Thank you, Manideep and Teja, for that insightful presentation. Our next team is Satipalli Kavya from Guru Nanak Institutional Campus, Guru Nanak Institutional Technical Campus. Please proceed.
Miyava.
Who is that? Revan.
Money.
What do you think of yourself?
Next, I can invite Nishant Virdi for their presentation.
Manasa, Kavya completed or not? Can you please check once? Kavya, are you there? Kavya, 281 ID. Sir, Kavya is not available. Can we start another one, sir?
Yeah, go with the
Yes, sir.
next.
285, sir, directly. 282 is not available, sir. Sir.
281 Kavya not available.
Yes, sir. She's not
Next,
responding.
Sri Shashidhar.
No, sir.
Next, Vishwas.
Vishwas also not available, sir.
Next, Sushma.
Sushma also not available, sir. 284.
85, Nishant.
85, now they will present 85, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a moment.
Nishant, be ready with your presentation. This is our last presentation from our session, sir. Remaining all are not available, sir.
Ma'am, 284 is
280?
284, ma'am. Sushumna.
284 came? Okay.
Sushumna.
Yes, sir. 284 and 85 available, sir.
Ma'am, 281 also available. Actually, Kavya is not there, but I'm her team member.
Now you start your presentation, 281. Otherwise,
Okay, sir, ma'am.
281, now you start your presentation, ma'am.
A very good afternoon to one and all. I'm
Sir,
Rajnish.
Shiva Prasad, sir. Now 281 is presenting, sir.
281 T Kavya.
Instead of Kavya, co-author is presenting.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Continue, ma'am. Kumar.
Actually, I need to get the slide, ma'am.
Share your screen. You are silent.
What happened, ma'am? Otherwise, can we go with 285?
Ma'am,
Okay, done. Okay, done.
Okay, so good afternoon to one and all. I'm Rajnish Kumar from the Department of Computer Science, Guru Nanak Institute of Technical Campus. And today here I'm ready to present my project that is just a minute. Machine learning based method for issue fraud detection on class imbalance dataset with missing values. So insurance fraud, particularly within the automobile insurance sector, is a significant challenge faced by the end users, leading to financial losses and influencing pricing strategies. Fraud detection models are impacted by class imbalance, where fraudulent claims are much rarer than the legitimate claims, and missing data further complicates the process. So the main objectives of our project is to analyze the challenges in insurance fraud detection, to explore machine learning techniques, to handle class imbalance, to implement strategies for managing missing values, to compare the performance of various machine learning models. Coming to the existing system, traditional insurance fraud detection system typically uses machine learning algorithm like logistic regression, decision tree, and random forest. So the main drawbacks in the existing system are the class imbalance, handling missing data, overfitting, limited performance with complex fraud pattern, inefficient fraud detection. And in the project proposed system, we use AdaBoost classifier. The proposed system enhances insurance fraud detection by incorporating the AdaBoost classifier and assembling technique that improve predictive performance by combining multiple weak classifier to create a strong, accurate model. So the main advantages of proposed system are enhanced fraud detection, effective missing data handling, optimized model performance, reducing overfitting, and increased accuracy. And coming to the future enhancement for vehicle insurance fraud detection using the proposed AdaBoost classifier could significantly elevate the accuracy and efficiency of fraud detection system. One key area for improvement is the integration of real-time analytics to detect fraudulent claims as they occur, leveraging the adaptive capabilities of the AdaBoost algorithm to refine predictive accuracy continuously.
Okay, Mr. Rajneesh Kumar, the allotted time for the presentation has been completed. Let's start the questionnaire part.
Okay, ma'am.
Sir, Narasimha sir. Shiva Prasad sir.
Yeah.
Already insurance company people are having this kind of system. But whether I don't know that whether they are using machine learning or artificial intelligence or manual. But they are using online insurance system for which it is secured with the login credentials.
But like in the existing systems, there are class imbalance, handling missing data, and overfitting. So to remove this problem, use the proposed system, and in there we use
It is there how it is different from the existing system with yours.
Sir, it has got a good decision tree there, and we can easily get good accuracy, and the efficiency will also increase, sir.
Okay, right.
The problem of overfitting will be also reduced.
Okay, right. Right, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks so much.
Kumar. Thank you, Mr. Rajneesh Kumar, for that insightful presentation. Our next team is Kinge Sushmna from Guru Nanak Institutions Technical Campus. Please proceed.
284, madam, paper ready?
Yes, sir. 280 to 83 not available, sir. Shashidhar Reddy and Vishwas.
Okay, 84.
Yes, sir. 84 now.
Good afternoon, ma'am. We are from project batch 8. Our teammates are Sushubna, Lavanya, and Avinash. And our project title name is Ethically Defined Synthetic Data for Suicide Identification Detection using NPL. NPL means Natural Language Process. And our
just a minute. Go to
our
the
project. This project aims to
go to previous slide. Ethically driven synthetic data.
Yes,
Okay.
This project aims to bridge the gap between the theoretical knowledge and practical application by proving hands-on experience. It focuses on developing essential skills required for problem solving and ensure decision making in real scenarios. By utilizing relevant tools, techniques, and methodologies, the project enhances professional competency and experience. It encourages analytical thinking, creativity, and innovation to address challenges effectively. The project serves a foundation for continuing learning and career advancement in the respective field. In existing system.
In existing system, we are used Albert algorithm, that is Elite bidirectional encoder representation transformation. That is a variant of BERT designed by the Google AI to reduce the large model size, high computational cost, inefficient memory usage, and Albert improves efficiency and performance on LNP tasks like questioning, answering, sentiment analysis, and natural language inference. The drawbacks of the existing system were it requires significant time and reduces the flexibility. Due to this, the adaptability will affect. In proposed system, we are using LSTM, that is long short-term memory. It is a specialized type of recurrent neural network introduced by the Ceph Hortic, and it is designed to address the vanishing and exploding gradient problems. It is highly effective for capturing long-term dependencies in sequential data, and it is widely used in term series analysis like speech recognition and video and audio sequence-based tasks. It uses gating mechanisms, input, forward, and output gates. In the system architecture, we are giving input by this LSTM algorithm. It will analyze the structure and patterns to give the output.
Speed up.
In the execution, we are logging with the user ID and password admin, and we are giving the text. By this text, the text will give this is suicidal or non-suicidal content, and suicidal detection from this text are 50-50%. Suicidal is 50% and non-suicidal is 50%. The future enhancement of this project is to detect the early suicide detections and improve the mental and health. In conclusion, we are using the advanced natural language processing to detect the early suicidal for improve the mental health.
Okay, Ms. Sushmana and team, the allotted time for the presentation has been completed. Let's start our questionnaire part.
Narasimhachari garu, go ahead.
Yeah, sir. So, Madam Swapna, Madam, it's over.
No, sir. One batch pending, sir. Only one batch is pending, sir.
Okay. So, right, you inform that batch, madam.
Okay. Manasha, you call next batch, ma'am?
You are ready?
Thank you, Ms. Sushma and team, for that insightful presentation. Let's our next presentation by Nishant Bildi from Nanak Institution Technical Campus. Please proceed.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Aditya with my teammate Nishad Virdi. Our research topic is Faculty 360, revolutionizing faculty management in education institutions. Next slide. Firstly, let's go through our problem statement, sir. Most of the schools, even now, maintaining and running their attendance record manually, noting down every single thing on paper, which is very difficult to track attendance, leave, and timetables. Mostly, they can't switch to ERP tools because they are too expensive. Overview. Faculty 360 is a cross-platform faculty management ERP system designed to streamline administrative tasks in education institutions, which is built on Flutter and Firebase, and has a tailored interfaces for faculty and higher officials, and which is completely free and open source. Next slide.
Your paper ID is?
Paper
285, sir.
85. Sir.
85, sir.
Can I continue, sir?
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Existing systems, sir. Most institutions will rely on outdated fragmented tools like managing faculty tasks, which leads to inefficiency and poor user experience. And it has more manual paper-based process, no real-time data or alerts, isolated software tools with no integration, and poor mobile and remote accessibility, and ERP tools which are very expensive where they cannot afford, and low scalability and customization. Next slide. Our proposed system, sir, which is Faculty 360, a centralized cross-platform mobile-friendly faculty ERP, which was built on Flutter and Firebase, designed to replace outdated process with real-time role-based automation. And its key features are like we can apply leave and attendance timetable, and we can register complaints, and we can give feedback on it, and with a real-time data sync and more secure with role-based accesses. And it has two major roles, which is faculty and higher official roles, and which is available on Android, iOS, and website application. And our core modules are faculty management, profile management, attendance management, timetable management, complaint management, community form, and holiday calendar. And our tech stack which is basically built on Flutter and Flutter Flow, and used Dart programming language, and using Firebase as backend, and we used Figma as user experience module. From here, my friend will take.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Nishat, and I'll be taking over the presentation for the next part. The next is architecture. In the basic architecture of our application is, first the user will log into our application based on the role, whether it's faculty or a higher official. Authentication module will be checking its role, and role-based access will be given to the user. There are various modules that
Okay, Mr. Nishant, the allotted time for the presentation has been completed. Let's start our questionnaire part.
Right. So, can you give real-time example for your Nishan?
Yes, sir.
So, can you give any real-time example for the existed your title?
Yes, sir. So our title is Faculty 360. We are going to revolutionize the faculty management in educational institutions. So, sir, most of the schools or most of the educational institutions still rely on like old technology. Like for applying the leave, the faculty has to fill a manual form, and they have to take that form to HOD, to the principal. We are going to digitalize that complete process using an application, and that application will be freely available on the App Store and Play Store. That is the real-time use case.
Sir,
okay, right. Thank you.
Can you show the results, please?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. I can show you the results, please.
Vanessa, wait 1 minute.
Sir, so this is our app UI. The first of all, the user can log in either as a faculty or a or admin. So this will be the dashboard of which will be visible to the admin. Going next, sir, for admin, there will be few options like faculty details, pending applications, classes, holidays, appraisals, complaints, and this is the dashboard. Like here, the faculty can put up the leave, like the form will be there. He can select the type of leave, date, description, everything, and the leave will be given to admin like this. Admin can either approve or decline the leave. Based on that,
Sir,
you make ready another batch.
Sir, this is our last ID, last batch, sir.
Based on the status will be reflected to the faculty like this. So the next is our complaint module, where the faculty can raise any complaint. Complaint can be any technical complaint, like project is
Sir,
not.
time up, sir.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nishant and team, for the wonderful presentation. This is our last presentation in this session 3. Thank you, everyone. Well done, team. Let appreciation letter presented by the Dr. Narasimhachari, sir.
Sir, Shivaprasad, sir.
Yes, go ahead, sir.
Yeah. So this is a taken up facilitation from appreciation,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So because you are the external session chair and you have spent a lot of time uh, for finalizing these right entire conference papers and
Okay.
yeah, valuable. Your time is more valuable and appreciated. Okay, right, madam. Over to Sapna, madam.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you
And
very much.
let me speak a few words
Yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir.
before quitting the session.
Yeah, welcome, sir, welcome.
At the outset, I would like to thank the HOD CSE madam
Yeah.
and Rajeshri madam
Yes, sir.
for identifying me as a session chair. And it's a good time for me to spend the whole day with you all people. Most of the students performed their level best, and nice presentations I had come across, and a little bit improvements have to be made at the level of their presentation. And concluding topic, the title, and
Yes,
the
sir.
depth of the topics are also to be improved a little bit.
Okay.
I'm not justifying the title.
Yes, sir.
They have looked into that. I think these are the titles of their mini or major projects in their career, in their UG program. Am I right, madam? Swapna, madam?
Yes, sir. Little bit. Yes, sir.
So it is a semi-final for them.
Yes, sir.
So they have to improve a lot.
All the participants note down the points of external session chair.
For every word in your presentation, you should be having a thorough knowledge. If you are using images, what are the various types of images? What are the various file formats of these images? If you are using the word data set, what is this data set? What exactly it is of? What for it is used? What are the classification schemes available on these data sets? How they are to be classified? So various image classification techniques, encryption, decryption methods, a lot are there. Coming to this JPG and JPEG, someone has presented that topic in their paper. Encrypted decryption, video compression decryption. So how they are going to split a continuous video into frames? What is the methodology? They don't know. They should be aware of it. Discrete methods are available. Cosine transforms they can apply. DCT, FFT, fast Fourier transforms, Z transform. So many transformation techniques are available for getting the discrete images from a continuous video. And finally, after encryption, decryption, reverse process also, joining them. How it is to be joined? Because the frames will be what do you call, mix అయిపోయి ఉంటాయి. How you are going to identify them? They are in continuous. Are you going to give any packet number or frame number which are to be aligned in sequence again in the reverse process? So complete thorough knowledge the student should acquire what they are presenting. Just they are going through the slide, only a frame of knowledge they are gaining. Come out of that frame, then only they are good. And another suggestion for all the UG students, whatever you come across in your 4 years degree of course, that is not at all useful in the market. You have to learn an extra skill. What is, for which skill there is a lot of demand. Once you step out of your institution with a certificate in your hand, that demandable skill should be there with you. Then only the company will hire you. Nowadays, it is very tough for computer science engineers to grab a job in the market. Only the people who are having 4 to 5 years of experience, they are jumping here and there. That's it. No freshers recruitment. Why? Lack of latest skills. Now AI is linked with all. What not everything AI is dominating. 30 years back, Rajeshri Madam is my classmate.
Yes, sir.
30 years back, we have studied about artificial intelligence. Now it is a buzzword. Where everywhere AI is there. See, 30 years back studied the subject, now it is in force. But the coding activities, we have learned C programming in final year. Now it is a basic language. Now even companies are not looking for good programming people. No programming skills are required. Only thing is, there are so many AI generated applications that will generate the code. No need of computer science programmers, software engineers. Only they are looking for a good AI skills, what they are having. How best they are in a position to make use of these apps like ChatGPT, so many are there, Gemini or Google. Generative AI, the student should be aware of nowadays. How to give a good prompt to the app. Correct app that you have, prompt that you have to give and generate the code. Such people are being hired nowadays. No need of programming skills. You know, full stack Java, all these are not at all required by the MNCs. They are looking for good prompting engineers in making use of AI. So, wish you all the best, students, and
Yes.
I thank one and all for giving me this opportunity.
Yes, sir.
For sharing this session. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Geeta Tripathi Madam and Rajeshri Madam. Thank you. Bye.
Definitely. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wish you all the best, students.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Madam,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What of thanks we have, sir?
Yes, sir.
I now welcome our respected faculty coordinator, Swapna ma'am, to share their feedback. Out of thanks.
Yes, continue.
Thank you, Manasa. As we come to the close of this enriching national conference on Futuristic technology, I extended my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you who made this event a grand success. A special thanks to our esteemed session chair, Dr. M. Shivaprasad sir, and our internal chief, Dr. Narsimachari sir, for guiding the proceedings with such grace and insight. To all the paper presentees and delegates, your contribution, perspectives, and innovative ideas have truly elevated the discussions and inspired us all. Thank you all once again.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable contribution.
Thank,
And
Thank you so much, sir.
yes, yes. More
Kindly say,
opportunities to collaborate with your future plans, sir.
thank you. Definitely, whenever I come Hyderabad, I will visit your institution.
Definitely, sir. Thank
See you soon.
Thank you, madam.
And
I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the participants for the extraordinary efforts, to our judges for their valuable time and insights, and to our organizing team for making this event a grand success. Thank you everyone for joining us today. Have a great day.
Swapna madam,
Thank you, sir.
send that appreciation letter to my WhatsApp.
Sure.
Right. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Madam
All
will
the
share
best.
you, sir.
Sure, sir.
All the best. Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.